Wednesday is the big day. That is the day we are going to get the Federal Reserve decision on reducing or not the base interest rate. The odds are really high that we're going to get that Federal Reserve rate cut. We'll look at that number here in just a minute. I haven't looked at it in a day or two. I've been on a little trip with my son to New York City to see Christmas in New York, all that kind of stuff. So kind of back into the fold here. But this does impact you. And I know you're probably tired of hearing about it. I'm tired of talking about the Federal Reserve, to be quite honest with you. But it is the world that we live in. And this is an important date and an important decision because there are some other things that play out there in the larger financial market that you need to be aware of. And this does impact your XRP. Sounds like a sportscaster. Your college team. Okay. Anyway, so XRP right now up 1.3, 1.6. Taking a look real quickly, going to refresh this page. It was 87% before I refreshed it. So let's see where we're at right now. So drum roll, please. We're at 89.6. So we are at just shy 90%. This is the tool that gives the expectation, the forecast of the percentage of are we going to get that Federal Reserve rate cut or not? And we are sitting at an 89.6% chance that yes, we will get that Federal Reserve rate cut. Now, it would probably be 25 basis points, 0.25. And why does this matter to your XRP? Here's why this matters. If we don't get this Federal Reserve rate cut, it's going to send shockwaves through the market. This is an expected rate cut. Thus, it's built into the market. If it doesn't happen, red, down. We're going to go down. If it does happen, it will be pretty much a kind of a non-event unless or the Chairman Powell, says something, which everybody will be dissecting every single word he says, the tone he says it in his big speech on Wednesday, looking for bearish or bullish signals. He's really good at saying a lot but really not saying anything in that speech. Yeah. Okay. So the expectations, we're going to get the cut. Great. Okay. We need this cut to continue to kind of clear the runway for the bull run. We've got another big event out there on December 19th, which is 11 days from now. That is the Bank of Japan and what they're going to do, because they're talking about raising their interest rate because everybody out there has been borrowing money from them for 20 plus years. Yeah, for 0% interest rate. And it is now starting to be a negative impact point on the financial markets. It's called the yen carry trade. If you want to go take a look at that, it is what kind of mildly crashed the market last week on Monday.